What is up, Amulets? It's me, Emma Jane on Emma Jane TV. Yes, this is not a reaction video or anything like that, or something idols are trying to kill me. Today is me unboxing my delivery that just arrived. Okay, what do we have? Oh, okay, this is pretty big. I don't remember what I ordered, but I bought something on Amazon, so let's see. Okay. Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Look at that! Look at this! Oh, is it Titans there? Yes! Titans! Hold on. How does it mean? Oh my god! It looks amazing. Oh, it's so massive. Oh, I forgot I actually bought this, and this arrived. I was like, this is a surprise. So what did I buy? I was like, I know it's something anime or K-pop. So there's a lot of things that I'm going to order very soon onto. Oh man, so that is all. I mean, yesterday I had a film, so yeah, I did take out the disc and throw away the case. If you haven't seen this, it's pretty good. Yeah, teenagers. I haven't seen this for a while. I used to watch this when I was a teenager. And yes, this is all done. I have finally revealed to everyone what I bought. I am very happy. I don't know where to put this in my wall, because my mom is planning to put some nonsense pictures, but that's the only one I can say that is allowed to be my wall, is the baby pictures of mine that was originally in my other house, if you remember. Yeah, but because obviously my room, I want to make my fresh start in my room and do things, put certain posters on my wall and put stuff that I like instead of putting my mum's ways of liking stuff. Anyway, that is all, you guys. It's just pretty short. Yeah, that's all. Got a poster. I just wanted to reveal it and make it more surprised because my memory is a bit terrible. I didn't expect that to be that big, actually, so I'm very happy. So that is all, you guys. I love you all. Annyeong, everyone, and salang heo.